Good morning, class 7. Today we are going to do chapter number 9, Commercial Mathematics, exercise 9.8. Okay, so question number 7, we have to find the speed in kilometers per hour when it is given speed of a plane was 1200 kilometer per hour, time taken was 6 hours. Okay, so what is the distance covered? So it was speed into time. The formula speed is equals to distance by time. Now distance is equals to speed into time. We'll find the value, so it will be 1200 multiply 6, that is equals to 7200 kilometers. Now we have to find the speed of the plane that it covers the same distance in 4 hours. So the time has changed now. So speed is equals to distance by time. So distance is 7200 kilometers by time is 4 hours now. So 7200 by 4, that is equals to 1800 kilometers per hour. In question number 8, time taken to cover 2000 kilometers is 2000 by 500, that is equals to 4 hours. Time is not given, we have to find from the speed. Now time taken to cover 1200 kilometers is, again, that will be speed. Time taken to cover 1200 kilometer will be distance upon speed again. So distance is 1200 by speed is 300 kilometers per hour. So we found it 4 hours time. Now time taken to cover 500 kilometers is 500 by the speed, that is 250 kilometers per hour. So 2 hours. Now total distance covered will be 2000 plus 1200 plus 500. That is equals to 3700 kilometers. Now total time taken will be 4 plus 4 plus 2, that is 10 hours. Now average speed is equals to total distance by total time taken. So total distance we have found 3700 kilometers and total time taken is 10 hours. Now we solve it out, we get average speed is 370 kilometers per hour. Okay class, let's move on to the next question. Question number 9, here speed is given 3 kilometers per hour, distance is given 1500 meters. Now we have to find the time. So see here, the unit is kilometers per hour and here the unit is meters. So first of all we have to convert these both in the same unit, then only we can find that time. Okay, so if we are converting into meters, this will be converted into meters, so hour will be converted into seconds. So 3 multiplied 1000 meter divided by 60 into 60. When you cut it off, we solve it out, we get 3 into 5 by 18 meters per second. Okay, so 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18, so 5 by 6 meters per second. You can remember one more thing, if you have to convert kilometers per hour to meter per second, multiply this number, whatever the number is, if it is 3, 5, 7, whatever, multiply this to 5 by 18 meters per second, we'll get your answer. Okay, so answer is 5 by 6 meter per second. Now distance is 1500 meters. Now time taken is equals to distance upon speed. So distance is 1500 by speed is 5 by 6. This 6 because it is in the denominator of the denominator, so it will come in the numerator. So 1500 multiply 6 divided by 5. Now you cut it off, we get 1800 seconds. Now convert this seconds to minutes. So 1800 divided by 60, that is equals to 30 minutes. Okay. Now time, 11th question says, time taken, we have to find from 5 a.m. the person has traveled to 9 p.m. So it means how much time he has traveled, 8 hours. Now the stoppage was for 1.5 hours. So without any stoppage the train traveled to 8 minus 1.5 hours, that is 6.5 hours. Now total distance is given 585 kilometers. So we'll write that. Now the speed of the train we have to find. So distance upon time taken. So distance is 585 kilometers. Time is 6.5 hours. Okay, you have to subtract the stoppage time. So 6.5 hours we solve it out. So 6 to the 12, 13. So 13 by 2 will come up. Now 585 multiplied 2 by 13, that is 45 by multiplied 2 kilometers per hour, that is 90 kilometers per hour was the speed of the train. Okay class, that's all for today. The chapter is finished over here. Thank you and have a nice day.